guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm doing a little vlog today. I thought I'd do a little raw day in the life vlog. So like just, you know, a bit of a raw day in the life. I'm not gonna lie, I'm feeling really crap today. I'm not really doing much. I'm just gonna be doing a little bit of tidying up because the house needs tidying. The house is a bit of a mess. The house is a lot of a mess. So yeah, I'm not going to be doing much. I'm just going to be doing some tidying. My bedroom is completely, it's just a mess basically. And I keep saying to myself every day, right, I need to get the house in order. I need to just declutter, tidy, and I just don't end up doing it. And I don't really have any excuse really, apart from a big mixture of me not wanting to do anything because I'm just like feeling really super low at the moment because I've got a lot of things going on. And yeah, but I thought if I get up a vlog and, you know, I do a little bit of cleaning in my vlog, a bit of a speed clean, it might motivate me to actually clean because I'm filming it for a YouTube video. So, you know, so yeah, I'm just in my bedroom at the moment. Harrison is actually having a nap, and I'm not gonna lie, it's not like super early in the morning. I'm not starting this vlog super early in the morning. It's like afternoon time, but I thought that I'd just pick up the camera anyway and vlog because why not, eh? Look at all these clothes here. Right. These clothes are not dirty. They're clean. They've just not been put away. Doing all the washing and just bringing the clothes up and leaving them in piles and not putting them away because I just have no motivation to do it, and it needs to be sorted. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to sort all the clothes out and just declutter. But yeah, Harrison's asleep, he's having a nap, so this is the only chance I've got to do a bit of cleaning. So yeah, I'm going to do a bit of cleaning and I will chat to you all a bit later about what's going on with me at the moment. Alexa, can you play new music?
The playlist, Best of What's New to Prime, on Amazon Music. Amazon Music is streaming on another device. Would you like to stream from here instead?
Yes. So I'm just going to put all the clothes folded up here that probably like winter Christmas clothes, summer clothes that we don't need yet. I'm just going to put them into one of these vacuum pack bags and just shove it in the loft so it's out of the way, because there's nowhere to put them in the cupboards. So yeah, I'm just going to do that. And that is just fab. Oh god. Oh, I'm in pain right now. Oh, this is what I shouldn't be doing this, but like, you know, when you just gotta get jobs done. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to stop for a minute. If you watched my video from last year and I was told that I had abnormal cells and they had to have them removed, it was like, I think it was CIN 2 and 3, like high grade cells. So I had those removed, and then I think I had bleeding for about 6 weeks after that, after like the post-op bleeding for, and then after that I was fine. I felt like everything was back to normal, no bleeding, no nothing. And then what I thought was a period, I came on, I think it was like October and November time, something like that, maybe October I'm thinking, and I thought, okay, yeah, I'm on period now. And then after a week it didn't stop, after 2 weeks it didn't stop, and then it just carried on going, and it got to like the 2-month mark, and I was like, I said to James, like, this isn't right, surely this isn't normal for me. I mean, I know I have polycystic ovaries and my cycles are all over the place, but surely this isn't normal. So he just told me to go to the doctors, just get it checked out. So I go to the doctors, she examines me, and she like kind of went quiet for a bit. She didn't really say anything. And then she just said, have I had a smear test done? And I said, yes, my last smear test I had done was when Harrison was born, so it was 2017. Literally a week before I found out I was pregnant, I had a smear test. And I actually bled on my smear test, but everything came back normal. And then obviously I had my procedure done last year because of the bleeding that I was having, and that's what prompted me to go to the doctors in the first place. So she said, I told her that I had an appointment booked in. I think it was for like a repeat smear test, because I was told by my gynaecologist I had to come back like every 6 months to keep on top of it checked, and then obviously if everything's clear then it goes back to like 3 yearly appointments. So I told her I had an appointment due in 2 weeks at the gynaecologist, and she said she would prefer me to be seen like as soon as possible, really. And she put me through on an emergency referral, like a 2-week wait. And literally after going to the doctors, I went to see my gynaecologist and I had a colposcopy 3 days later. So it felt a bit scary because it just felt a bit rushed, and she was like, basically we need to check that the bleeding's not cancer, and I was just like freaking out. So I was like, oh my god, and I was trying not to think of the worst, just now I'm trying, everything's gonna be fine, just go to your appointment. So I have the appointment, he does the colposcopy, and he said, at first he was like discussing my periods, and he said he thinks it's down to my polycystic ovaries, which is why I'm bleeding. And I'm like, right, okay, well, it's just a bit not like unusual, like for it to be that. So anyway, he did the examination, he examined me, and he said, it looks like I can see a polyp. So now I'm thinking, well, is it a polyp, which is basically like a growth, like a benign tumour, but there's like a 5% chance that it's not benign. So there's like a 5% chance, like 1 in every, I don't know, a really like low percentage that it could be cancer. But coming home and him, like, I couldn't really understand what he was saying, to be honest, because he wasn't English, but he basically said it looks like a polyp, and then he like booked me straight in for surgery to get it removed, which I'm getting removed on Wednesday. And I'm thinking, what is it, this POLYP thing, or is it not? Like I actually really don't know. So I'm guessing he's going in to have a look what it is. I'm really like anxious. I don't know what to expect. I'm being put under a general anaesthetic, which I've never been put under general anaesthetic before, so I'm freaking out. Yeah, I just feel like symptoms, like new symptoms are like coming, or symptoms that are getting worse. Like I've had a lower back pain for the past fortnight, really severe back pain. Like you just saw then, I was in so much pain I had to stop doing what I was doing, and I can't even do half the things that I need to do because of my stupid bloody everything that's going on. It's just so annoying and stressing me out, and I'm just so exhausted. I'm just so exhausted, and I've had enough. So I've got like lower back pain, I've got really severe tummy cramp, I keep getting like stabbing pains like in my uterus, like my ovaries. I keep getting stabbing pains like when I lie down and sit up and stuff, and I'm just really tired all the time. I've got like really bad fatigue. So yeah, just very like heads all over the place. I feel really useless. I feel like a shit mum. I feel like a bad mum because I can't do much with Harrison. I'm off work with it at the moment because the bleeding is just so bad, and I just don't really know what to think. Just a lot. I'm going through a lot, and it's just a bit crap. So basically that's what's wrong with me at the minute, and it's why I've just been a bit like quiet on Instagram and not being like posting as much, and I just don't want to like feel like I'm moaning constantly on Instagram and talking about it. But anyway, I'm going to stop rambling on because I've been chatting for about 10 minutes now, so I'm going to go and tidy up in the bedroom. Harrison is due to get up from his nap, and then I'm going to go and start like cooking tea and stuff. So yeah, just need to sit down. I need a glass of water, I need a drink. Just need 5 minutes. So I'm just making dinner, and we're having these for tea, these little mini fish cakes, smoked haddock and cheddar, like the little, like this big. So I'm going to try Harrison with them, and we're just going to have, well, Harrison's going to have waffles with this because don't ask me why he won't eat potatoes, because it's the same thing, but he won't eat them. So Harrison's gonna have waffles, I'm having new potatoes, and then we're having peas and sweet corn as well, aren't we? Peas and sweet corn? Is that what we're having for tea? What's up?
The hot chicken.
Chicken? No, it's fish.
Yes.
Yeah.
Chicken.
It's fish. You're gonna have some fish?
Yay.
Yeah, fish cakes. Right, Mummy, do din-dins then.
Din-dins.
So did you know that you can now do waffles in the toaster? So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put these in the toaster for Harrison. 5 minutes and they'll be done.
Oh. My channels. Today I am bringing you a Primark haul.
Waffles are done. Look at that. They might not be as crispy as they come out in the oven, like brown, but you can just pop them back in a couple more minutes if you wanted. So yeah, waffles are done. That's like so genius that you can actually do that now.
Just continue to watch. So dangerous, I get this rush. I actually have that as a plant pot and everything.
Tasty, you're going to have 2 fish cakes. You're going to sit in your chair like a big boy.
I just thought it was a great way, you know.
James isn't having the same tea as us, in case you're wondering. He's taken Kobe out for a walk, and he doesn't like fish cakes anyway. Oh God, I'm not even sure. He doesn't like fish cakes anyway. He just doesn't fancy anything, he's not hungry, so. What, darling?
Hold it.
Hi, Kobe. Hello, darling.
Everything.
So, you didn't eat your dinner. Harrison didn't eat his fish cakes, which I knew he wouldn't eat. Hello, Kobe.
Oh, no.
Come on, sweet Pete. Right. So, yeah, he didn't eat his tea. He just ate his waffles and sweet corn. I don't think he ate the peas. But I knew he wouldn't eat the fish cakes, but I thought I'd try him with him anyway. You know, sometimes when you give kids food that you don't think they're going to eat, and sometimes they surprise you and actually eat it, but no, he didn't. So I'm going to get him ready for bed now, put him to bed, and then I'm just going to relax and chill. I think me and James, I was going to say watch a film, but we'll probably just watch Love Island. I might even make some popcorn, watch Love Island and just chill. Reese's, next time won't you sing with me? Bye bye. Right, we're going to bed. Don't scratch, darling.
Bye-bye.
Got some cream.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
See you later.
Bye-bye.
See you later. See you soon. You getting in? Go on then. Let me get your bopper. And your doody.
No, it is. It is gone. It is gone.
Touch your head. You're a good boy. Right. And then monkey. Here's a kiss. Mwah. See you in the morning. Love you lots. So I've just put Harrison to bed, although he's not going to sleep and I don't know why. I think it's his teeth, so I'll just give him some Calpol. You might be able to hear him. He keeps like crying. I'm going to go into him soon if he doesn't stop. But basically I'm feeling, oh my god, I don't know whether it's because I actually tidied up and did something that it's made my back pains twice as worse, and the bleeding is just, it's really bad. It's not been so bad the last couple of days. It's just been heavy, but not as heavy as it has been. And you know, like I've been like losing clots and things, but oh my god, I just like got into my pajamas then and like went to the toilet and that. Yeah, bleeding's really bad, and I think I'm just gonna get into bed. I'm not gonna lie, it's about 9 o'clock. I think I'm just gonna go and watch Love Island. Well, I'll probably go and watch Love Island first, and then I'm going straight to bed because I'm just, I think tomorrow, the day before my surgery, I'm just going to rest. I'm not going to do anything too strenuous. I'm just going to rest, chill out, ready for my surgery on Wednesday, which I'm just not looking forward to, but I just know it's got to be done, so yeah. But I hope you enjoyed this little vlog, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little day in the life. I just felt like vlogging today, like a really raw day in the life, and whenever I felt like picking up the camera and just talk about whatever I fancied, you know, just kind of, yeah, just a little raw day in the life. I know it wasn't like a full day. I didn't start vlogging until like the afternoon, but I hope you enjoyed it anyway. If you did, make sure that you do give it a massive big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed, if you're new. But thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys soon.